studying in SRM. I'm currently a sophomore right now. I learned Python from the institute. My counselor was Balasundari ma'am, and my trainer was Reshna ma'am. So basically, we learned the basics of Python and also the specialization in tkinter and user interfaces, and also the web development and app development domains, especially Django, and also some basic knowledge with respect to structures and data structures. And it was pretty good, it was pretty useful, and for basics it's really important and was really crucial for my improvement in basics of Python. And that's it, thank you.